If you smoke, hear me out. Alright, so the other day I was just fried as fuck and I was making myself a sandwich. Right. And I'm just standing there like focused, like Gordon Ramsay or some shit. I finished it, look at it, I'm proud. And then I just put it in the fridge for no fucking reason. Like I wasn't saving it for later. I was just about to eat it, you know? So I walk away, came back 5 minutes later, opened the fridge. I saw my sandwich. I was like, yo, who made me a fucking sandwich? When I tell you I was high, I was the one who made the fucking sandwich, bro. Are you fucking stupid? At this point, I just don't even know if I'm hungry or I'm just confused. Anyway, if you relate, I'm concerned for you and for me. Subscribe. Ciao.